Hello everyone!
Hello, and today we're gonna show you something really special because behind us is this.
It's a Ferrari F40 and it's not like other Ferrari F40s. This one has a huge modifications. One of them is improved and bigger turbos that makes it up to like a 700 horsepower.
Yes.
The beginning of a 450 horsepower or something around that, right?
Yes. Also, this F40 is straight pipe and it has no cats.
Also, there's one main thing about this car. It weighs around 1200 kilos. Incredible power to weight ratio.
F40 also has 5-speed manual transmission with rear-wheel drive. It has no electronics, no power steering, no ABS, ESP or something else, nothing.
It's a truly raw car. You can get this anywhere else. The whole car consists of only 11 body panels. This car is peak technology. It was icon of 1980s. This is the first car that could reach over 200 miles per hour. Truly magnificent machine. It runs a compact 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 with a dry-sum system. Strong internal, simple layout, easy to follow the turbo pipes with your eyes. The high turbos feed large intercoolers mounted high in the rear. When the boost builds, the car accelerates hard and clean. The 5-speed gated shifter is long and positive. You move the lever with purpose. Underneath is a tubular steel space frame with the bonded carbon Kevlar and Nomex panels. That combination keeps weight low and the structure stiff. Aero and cooling are functional. NACA ducts in the nose feed the radiators with a low drag. Louvered front fenders release pressure to keep the front end planted. Deep side intakes push air straight across the intercoolers. The fixed rear wing adds real downforce as speed increases. The suspension uses double wishbones with coilovers and solid anti-roll bars. Steering inputs translate quickly. Trail braking settles the car mid-corner, balance is clear and exits are strong if you're smooth on the throttle. Braking is handled by ventilated Brembos. The pedal is firm with predictable bite when the brakes are warm. They reward straight, consistent pressure. Inside the car is minimal. Thin carpets, exposed carbon weave, pull cord door releases and tight bucket seats. The twin fuel bag tank saves weight and space but have service intervals like a race car. Everything left inside has a purpose. The sound is simple. Intake roar, turbo whistle and a wastegate chatter on the boost. There is no assistance so you feel the road. That's the point of the F40. Low mass, high rigidity, efficient cooling, working aero and fast response. No extras, only parts that help the car go turn and stop. And of course, go fast. 0 to 60 for F40 is 4.1 seconds and quarter mile is in 11.9 seconds. This is quite fast for the 80s. This car is designed by Pininfarina himself. Pininfarina today makes his own cars like this. This is the Automobile Pininfarina Battista. For decades, Pininfarina designed cars for other brands. When Ferrari moved design in-house, Pininfarina chose a new path, built its own low-volume halo cars. Coach built in Italy with modern electric hardware. The Battista is an electric Hyper GT with a 120 kWh battery and 4 motors. One for each wheel. It makes around 1900 horsepower. Power is instant and the car uses torque vectoring to send more or less power to each wheel, so it turns cleanly and stays stable on fast exits. Production is hand-built in Cambiano and limited to 150 cars only. The focus is fit, finish and materials rather than big production numbers. Inside, the layout is simple and solid. Clear sightlines, physical controls you can use without looking down, and seating that supports long drives. Design follows Pininfarina's Pura idea. clean surfaces, aero that works, and proportions that read well from a distance. The body guides air to cool the battery and motors and to keep the car stable at high speeds. No fake vents, no extra lines. The point isn't to copy an F40 with the batteries, it's to apply the same mindset, function first, weight kept in check, aero with a job, to an electric platform. That's why you also see the open top B95 Barchetta. In their lineup, same craftsmanship, same electric performance, different format. So when we say Pininfarina makes its own cars, this is what it means today. Italian coach building but with modern electric performance and control. Even though we are not fans of electric cars, this is a truly masterpiece of its own.
Gordon Murray once said, "This is the best car in the world." This is the last Ferrari approved by Enzo Ferrari before he died.
After development, MSRP of this car was $200,000 up to $400,000. Today is the price over $2.5 million. That kind of money, of course, doesn't buy just performance, but also heritage and mainly emotion. The only step up is riding alongside a legendary Ferrari F1 car, and you can see all that here. Just know that this time it didn't end really well.